My name is Scott Cooper. This is the Pearlberg Cooper family car. Took about 5 years to build. Long story short, this was my stepdad's dream. He built it, or was having it built, and it's almost done to the most part, and then he passed away. So we kind of show it. We've won a couple of best of shows with it. We just kind of drive it in his honor. It is an LS3 with a hot cam, about 500 horsepower conservatively.
What's your favorite feature about this Bel Air?
The gas tank, I'll show you.
Very cool.
So this is a dream car that he built, and we drive it in his honor.
I guess this might answer my next question, but if you just tell someone one thing about this car that they might not know just from looking at it, what would it be?
It's all original 55 metal.
It is. Wow.
Down to the key.
Did it come this color, or did he?
No, it was sky blue.
Sky blue. Awesome. Have you done any modifications at all to it since you got it? Or
I put gas in it.
Just put gas in it? Heck yeah.
Yes. It's the first year we won Best of Show. It was kind of a joke. It was an inside joke with the family because we knew we had some really good competition. We didn't know we were even considered for Best of Show. And so we were the last car called, and Mr. Abaugh called us up on stage. He did not know the story that Rich had passed away and couldn't experience or really enjoy the car. So it was a really cool thing.